Yes, good morning students. Today the students of class 9, they will study about a part of that Russian, that is Lenin's name became inseparable from the Russian Revolution. Because Lenin's role in the Russian Revolution, Russians prosperity, progress was inseparable. Because Lenin changed the history of Russia. We already studied that after Russian Revolution, Russia came in the hands of revolutionaries. The condition became chaos. So it was very difficult to get the progress. So ultimately, Russia came in the hands of a revolutionary leader, Lenin. So here we will study about what was the importance of Lenin. Lenin's role in the progress of Russia. After completing his education, Lenin joined the Communist Revolutionary Party, that is CRP, and started spreading revolutionary ideas everywhere in Russia, especially among the workers, because he was considered as the leader of the workers. He favored the workers. He also favored the setting up of a new society based on the principles of socialism and principles of Karl Marx. He was considered as the father of communism, the prophet of communism in the world. So he always supported, he wanted to bring a new society in Russia, and he wanted to form a society, a government of the workers in Russia. So he always supported the workers. So the workers of Russia, all over Russia, unanimously supported Lenin. Second, it is he was against the despotic rule of Russia. He set up a communist government in place of the despotic rule of Russia. We already studied that. The people of Russia fought against the despotic rule of Tsarist government in Russia. So the people came together and they supported the ideas of the communist and the socialist ideas of Lenin. Therefore, Lenin's name became inseparable from the Russian Revolution. Third, it is united the peasants and the workers. Lenin tried to unite the peasants and workers under the Bolshevik party. That was that revolutionary party took the leadership of the Russian Revolution and directed the revolution against the provisional government. So he united the peasants and workers. And fourth, it is he tried to make a socialist government in Russia on the basis, on the principles of Karl Marx. So he did many things in Russia. First one, the property of the private property was confiscated because the owners of the lands, they were having a power in the society. They were having many privileges in the society. So after came into power, first he did what he did. He tried to confiscate the private property. Second, Lenin took the land from the landlords and distributed it among the peasants, the farmers, the poor people. So the poor people unanimously supported Lenin. Third, the government nationalized all the factories and handed over their management to the workers. So the workers who fought in the Russian Revolution of 1917 began to support Lenin. And all debts were remitted. The people were having many debt and all these debts were remitted. Free. The property of the church was also confiscated because church was having a superpower in politics. So after coming to power, Lenin confiscated all the land of the church. So these were the revolutionary measures, revolutionary things that Lenin took in his rule, and so that people began to support him. So his role in the Russian Revolution was unforgettable. Means we cannot separate his name from the Russian Revolution. His role was very important in the Russian Revolution because of his ideas, measures taken in his administration. He brought drastic changes in the future in the history of Russia. He made Russia a powerful country in the world. Thank you very much.